Welcome to part 6 in your free mini-series on how to write a beauty business plan. I'm Lorraine Dahlmeyer and I'm the CEO of Formula Botanica, the online organic cosmetic formulation school. And in this series, I'm running you through the 10 simple steps to take to create a business plan for your beauty brand that you actually work with on a daily basis. Not a pointless document you never look at again, but a tool for you to use in your business. We also have a detailed blog post that goes with this video series, which is linked below. So make sure you bookmark that link so you can keep referring back to it. In this 6th video, I want to talk to you about your manufacturing strategy. Now, if you want to start a beauty brand, you need to decide whether you're going to manufacture your products yourself in your own lab, use a contract manufacturer, or perhaps even opt for private label products. There is no right or wrong answer here. Instead, you need to decide what works for you. Now, I've spoken to the founders of very successful indie beauty brands, some of the best known ones in the world, in fact, who manufacture in-house. And I also know so many founders who outsource their manufacturing as soon as they can. So I don't want you to feel like you should go down a particular route. Each model has its pros and cons, and it depends entirely on how you want to build your brand, as well as the implications for important aspects of your business, such as distribution, logistics, financing, and contractual obligations with retailers who stock your brand. It also really depends on how big you want to go with your brand and how many units you want to manufacture and sell each year. You might, for instance, decide to start manufacturing in-house in your own lab and then scale up to a contract manufacturer eventually. Or you might decide that you want to retain full control of the quality of your ingredients and formulations, in which case you might keep it all in-house. As I said, there is no right or wrong. Please do remember that. Detail your manufacturing strategy in your business plan and tie that in with the next sections we'll discuss in one of the upcoming videos in this series on financial forecasting. You'll need to think about how much money is required to set up either way, which is why this is such an important component of your beauty business plan. If you need help figuring this part out, then we teach a whole section packed full of blueprints and checklists on manufacturing in our online diploma in beauty brand business management, which is linked below in the comments. This was part 6 in your 10-step mini-series on how to write a beauty business plan. In the next video, we're going to cover your retail strategy. In other words, we're going to discuss where you plan to sell your formulations. If you want to learn how to become a certified organic formulator, click on the link below to sign up for our free online organic formulation course. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all of our other awesome content.